क्या बोलता है पब्लिक? Welcome to the market. We are analyzing the weekly top-down approach for the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex. Here we are trying to know about the market for the coming up week and the next series what we have, June series. Nifty, I have taken the Nifty monthly chart, and here you can see the market has been in the uptrend since the market has been launched. The Nifty has been launched. This is the monthly chart. Here some corrections will be there as usual for the Nifty, as charts are like up, they go for bull run and then I have retracement and then they move up. So here we had some of the corrections in the past time. Now as we can see, the Nifty RSI is above 60, so it looks very good according to RSI. And after some correction we have, yeah, this point is a pullback. There is a slightly pullback or like the market is moving up in the monthly chart. So monthly chart we have a resistance at 25,000 to 25,200. So this indicates that market has some weakness over the upper side of the, like on the upper side of the Nifty. So when we go to the weekly chart, we'll go and check the weekly chart. This in the monthly chart, the support is 24,190 and 23,900. So 23,900 is very strong support. And in weekly chart, when we come, we observe that the market has been in the correction. Let us have a Fibonacci. This Fibonacci is showing the full retracement about 61%. Yes, market is about 61% according to the Fibonacci. So this is a very strong indication. There can be a correction and then it can move. 61% is good, and 50% you can blindly we can take a chance to on the buy side. It can take the near to all-time high in coming up weeks. If the all-time high breaks, then we have a future of 27,500 and 28,800. So we can purchase the Nifty once again if the price comes to 50%, that is 24,000, or one is 24,000, which are having great support from here, and to 24,600 is also having a great support. 24,500 is a psychological support from where the market can move in upper direction. Why? Because the GDP data, as we got, is very good nowadays. Now, and Monday we have to watch for the market where it moves, what the market does. In daily time frame, if you see, that is a huge resistance from past 2 weeks, 25,050, and when you go through, the RSI is below 55, but it's bit like, no man, no, but the strength is bit low, but we can manage it. That can be changed. The dynamics can be changed any times. We have like this is support and this is resistance. 50% of the market what we have got. If it comes there, then we can buy for sure. For the positions also we can take a chance. And we have a golden crossover, as we can see here. The first target uh, of the Nifty can be taken. Yes, the first target of the Nifty can be taken at this part, that is, yes, 25,200 and 50. So this is the basical where the Nifty has been stuck from 24,750 500 to 24,200, and we have a gap in the Nifty uh, where I see that the Nifty can come fill up the gap. Yes, this is the gap what I am talking about. This gap can be filled by Nifty, and afterwards we have to look for the charts whether the market can move above or not. Coming to the Bank Nifty and monthly chart, it's very super bullish. Yes, and the monthly candle has closed above the sub resistance level, the black line. So we can see the market going further high in the coming up days. The market can touch around 58,000. Yes, the market can touch till this high. That is 58,000 and 900. So it can be 50,000 up plus, and this is going further positively very strong. RSI is also above 60. It's very strong. Buying from past 2 months is also a bit strong compared to last previous months in the volume side. Now coming to the weekly chart, yes, we have been consolidating for 3 4 weeks in the above area. So RSI is above 60. Mm, volume is also good. So Bank Nifty is strong as compared to Nifty. There is a conclusion what we can conclude till now as per the Nifty and Bank Nifty comparison. So this is the resistance area. Nifty has a power to bring down the Bank Nifty, but if it comes down, that is a support area, and the area support is 54,300 plus. That is bit like, yeah, coming up to the Nifty again. So Nifty, as we have seen, this seeking a support 50%. We can definitely take a chance on the buy side. That's what we were discussing. But Nifty is bit weak compared to Bank Nifty, but the Bank Nifty is stronger as per the conclusion, and it is 61% above the RSI level. This is the positional stop loss 53,450. If the market closes below this, then we have to exit our buy side position. But the stop loss is very far, but we have to wait. New traders should not enter there in the Bank Nifty. Coming to the option chart, we'll observe what will be the next week indicating according to the option chart. The option chain, I am opening the option chain NSE, Nifty. So let me read the option chart and we'll discuss what is going to happen. So we are like at the money we are seeing. So here in the call side, the put side. So call side and put side I'm showing. Yes, in the call side you can just go through. You have 25,100, 25,150 are like huge resistance compared to put side, and this 25 24,400 is having less call side positions. Here we have huge put side. We have a good position. So according to the option chain, what we see is on the put side we have at 24,700 as support and 24,600 is having a huge support. So market may not break down 24,600 in this week but 24,700 can be a dicey one. It can give a breakdown and 25,000 is already having a huge resistance point with 1 lakh 1,000 call sellers. So now the levels will be 24,600 is a support and 25,000 is a resistance and 25,100 is also a huge resistance. 25,200 is also a resistance. Is a huge resistance and support is resistance is 25,000. 25,000 is a huge. I'm marking the level. 25,000 is a huge resistance and 20. We have 24,600 is a support area. So these are the two levels what we have to look for. I'm just marking here support and resistance. So this will be the trigger. If anything breaks above this level, then the market can go in the that direction. If 24,600 is broken, then it can fall down, and if 25,000 is broken, then it can go to the high. So this is what the analysis of option chain is also indicating. So Nifty, according to the Nifty, the support levels is 24,600 and 24,500 is also a psychological number. So from there the market can turn again. And 25,000 to 25,200 is a huge resistance area. So we have to wait and watch what the market does. As the market is now getting ready for the GDP data, what we have got, and the GDP data can support your margin, support and resistance. So when you are seeing the support and resistance, this is the weekly perception. If either side of the market breaks, then it can give a good momentum because the market is in the sideways from 2 to 3 weeks and so many days. As the resistance breaks, yes, it can be possible because GDP data is good and market can react on that. So this can be a trigger for the market for the upper side. Thank you. Market is very strong. Bye bye.